Yeah, we're videoing a line here in downtown Orlando. Looks like they have a terracotta pipe here with what appears to be a break in the line. We're going to continue inspecting this line and go downstream, see if we can find some other issues, but this is definitely one of the causes they've been having continuous stoppages. Well, there's a real large area here that is completely collapsed. You can see some dirt roots on the right hand side. I'm going to try to get that camera to go through it and see if we can locate some additional areas that has been causing this homeowner a problem. But what it appears so far, it looks like this line is going to have to be replaced. Okay, so we finally got it over. There's another area there on the right hand side that's got a break in it.